Hi, I made for you a playlist of the most popular dishes of this summer. The link is in the pinned comment.
Drizzle liberally with olive oil, splash some white balsamic vinegar, then add some kosher salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. Then give them a good mix and arrange them cut side down around the outside of the dish to make room for the feta. Place your block of feta in the center of the strawberries, then drizzle with more extra virgin olive oil and crack some more fresh pepper on top. Then pop in a 400-degree oven for 45 minutes. When it comes out, give it a good stir. You'll notice just like the tomatoes, the strawberries released a lot of their natural juices. Those juices combined with the melted feta really help to make that luscious sauce. Next, add a huge handful of basil, give it another stir, then add your pasta of choice. I had these super cute leaf-shaped pasta made